Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I'm working on the 2007 Ford Focus. You've seen me work on this many times. I've replaced a lot of items on here. Some I've shown, some I have not. This is one I'm not really showing because we need to get this car back on the road. And what I'm doing is I'm replacing the lower control arms on both sides of this vehicle, along with the sway bar linkage and the inner and outer tie rod ends. And I'm able to do that by buying the whole thing for $78 from eBay Motors. And I was just shocked that I could get it that cheap. Now, I've already purchased an alternator and a starter in the past, and they were pretty good deals. But to get all this stuff for $78 delivered to my front door, I was absolutely shocked. I've already got the driver's side already installed, and now I'm getting ready to do the passenger side itself. So again, I'm not really showing off how to do this. I'm just showing that you can shop around, you can find a pretty good deal on parts. And eBay Motors seems to be the place to go as of right now. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.